I bought my first Aero Garden in 2006 when they first came out. I paid about $150 for it, I believe. So 20 years later, I was excited to try it again. I got the Aero Garden Harvest Elite off of Amazon. I paid $125 for it. It comes with an herb kit, but I really just wanted to grow some lettuce. So I bought a separate seed pod kit from Hoya of just lettuces. This one came with 6 different lettuce seed packs in it. And we've got red green leaf, a romaine, a butterhead, black-seeded Simpson, red sail, and marvels of the season. So the first thing that we're going to want to do, we have filled it with water, and I've already put the seeds in the seed pods. The next thing we're going to do is set the clock. It's just a very light touch button. You don't really push on it. After that, the next thing we're going to do is set what type of plant that we're going to be growing. So the different selections that you have veggies, salads, herbs, and you have a selection for a 24-hour light, and you can even grow flowers in it. But we're going to go ahead and set this to salad. Gives you 16.5 hours of light. And after this, if you want to, you can also set this to start at a certain time so that you don't have it blaring all night. So I went ahead and set mine for 9 a.m. But then you can also use the light button to turn it on and off, and it won't mess up the program. It will continue to restart at whatever time that you had set it for. It runs on a cycle, so it's 5 minutes on, 25 minutes off, and the pump puts out the little stream of water to keep it all going. It's very nice and quiet. I remember the first ones were pretty loud, but these are really whisper quiet. So let's see how it works. I don't eat a lot of big salads, but I do like to put fresh lettuce leaves on my wraps and my sandwiches. So this really worked out well for me. If you were eating a big salad every night, I'm not so sure this would be the answer for you. But for what I use it for, it worked out really well. So we were getting ready to go on vacation, so I thought I'd have a big salad. And after picking on it and having a big salad 1 month later, this is what the plants looked like. So I continued to pick off of this for another couple weeks. And then I went ahead and instead of just tossing the old plants, I went ahead and stuck them out in a container in my garden. So this way they could go to seed and I would have a continuous stock of seeds to keep growing. So yeah, I was really happy with the product. So I was so happy with the product that I went ahead and got another one. And this way I can stagger the lettuce and always have fresh lettuce without having to rinse it or it get all wilted or full of bugs. Just pick it, put it on my wraps, and I'm ready to go. It advises you want to add food to it every 2 weeks, and then every 30 days they advise you to change the water, which is really easy because this just pops right out and you can just dump the water, take the light off, dump the water, refill it, put your food in, and keep going. You don't really have to mess with the plants or get rid of the plants to do that. So yeah, I was really happy with it. I have some Amazon affiliate links down in the description. If you want to go ahead and click on those and purchase those through the link, I might receive a small commission. Make sure to hit subscribe, give me a big like, let me know if it works for you.